Hey YouTube, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and you're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlog. Oh yeah, I showed this 5-gallon caddy bucket. You could see I loaded it up with all my stuff to do upholstery today. Added a little bonus rock star in there. Ready to roll. And today's job is, or the job that I'm filming today is a sofa and love seat. This is a cotton blend, and I've already cleaned that entire sofa there, and I'll just briefly show you the method with this is a Harbor Freight polisher. It is the one that has 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, so it's the upgraded one. And I'm using a microfiber pad as well as Simple Encap. Simple Encap is a wool and cotton safe end cap solution. And I will tell you, I bought the IK 1.5 foaming sprayer, and I've been doing a lot of upholstery this last week, and it just overwets. It's too much water in the foam, so I couldn't really use it. And you can see this bottle is defective, and I'm in a high-rise building, and I am definitely ready to go jump out the window. And as this progresses, you'll see there's no way. It was pouring rain today, so I'm like, I'm not going to go down just to get a bottle. I'm going to make this work. And anyway, I'm still at a crosshairs. I was using the aerosol can foam, that high-tech stuff you can see in previous videos. I do like the foam in the aerosol can. You just have to keep the cans up to a normal 65, 70 degrees so that they spray properly. And during the winter, it was a pain in the butt. I'd have to put them in a bucket of hot water just to warm them up. So, but I liked the fact that I could just get foam. I would spray it on my microfiber mitt and apply it all over like say I was doing this particular cushion. I could spray the foam on my mitt. I will get that out. It'll come right out. But anyway, I'll get the mitt, and I'll spray the foam on my mitt and apply it all over the cushion. Then I take a wet microfiber pad or a damp pad, and I go over it, and it was just cleaning beautiful. Look at that. I am freaking done with this bottle. Where's the window? I mean, carpet cleaner jumps out from high-rise building. I mean, that's how frustrated I was. So, but you can see, look at that Simple end cap. Man, that stuff is going crazy. I put 1.5 ounces in a 32-ounce bottle. And it does foam up real good in the IK foamer, but it oversprays. It's hard to control. That's why I went to the foam in the first place. I was sick of using my pump-up sprayer and getting it all over people's floors, and it's just too hard to control or over-wetting. So do I go back to the foam, or do you guys have any ideas? I mean, I know back in the early 90s, I used Haitian cotton from John Don's, and you mix it into a froth in a bucket, and you just take the foam off the top. That's kind of a pain in the butt too. So I don't know. I was so frustrated. I had this one. I had another one that had upholstery, and then I had 2 military move-outs that I took care of today. But and I know I'm probably a big baby. Little things like this just frustrate me. I like smooth transactions. That's why I got the bucket, you know what I mean, so that everything could be toted in. This is a high-rise building. I had to load up my little wagon. I'm also doing a area rug here, so I bought the Auric Orbiter up with me, and my lithium battery-operated sprayer, and the Simple end cap, a bunch of pads and things, and a vacuum. I wasn't sure what I was going to need, so I toted it all up here. Of course, I only bought one stupid bottle. I have 3 or 4 of these. And I looked at it afterwards and compared it to the other bottle. The spring inside must have collapsed because there's about a 1/2 inch play on the trigger. And then when you pull back, it gets jammed or it sticks. Really frustrating. It did work good though. I will say it if I had the right bottle, I probably wouldn't even be complaining about it. So chime in the comments. Let me know. You ever have a busted bottle like that that's just so frustrating? And if you know of any good upholstery foam that is safe on wool and cotton, please let me know. I need to get something that works good and froths up.